CBS 8's Kelly Hezedall joins us live from the Hall of Justice. And Kelly, the DA says this partnership is a big deal. So what does it mean exactly?
Well, this is the first time the top prosecutors in both San Diego and Baja, California are really partnering to help victims like this. The DA estimates that approximately there are 60,000 victims of human trafficking and domestic violence who live and work on both sides of the border. And she says it's important that they're able to get the help that they need in whichever country they feel most comfortable in.
Sometimes criminals think they can get away with it because of the fact that the victims are vulnerable. They are between two countries, but no longer with this partnership.
San Diego District Attorney Stephan says more and more college students who live in San Diego are going to school in Mexico. There are also women who live in Tijuana with their children, but then work in San Diego. And so this new partnership between the top prosecutors of both communities signed today will make it easier for victims to get the resources they need if they're in an abusive situation.
Criminals who prey on victims for human trafficking, exploitation, child abuse, child pornography, domestic violence, they don't know any borders.
CBS 8 has done stories on One Safe Place, which is a one-stop shop resource center with wraparound services for abuse and trafficking victims. It will partner with a similar center in Tijuana. They'll cross-refer victims, share information about them, and provide help regardless of which side of the border they live on.
Es un compromiso de la Fiscalía del Estado, aún con la autonomía.
Today we heard from several speakers in both English and Spanish. Here's the Consul General of Mexico in San Diego, Alicia Kerber Palma, talking about why this agreement between countries is so important.
For us as diplomats, in many occasions, we don't understand the legal structure of the United States, and we need to have that type of advice. Imagine a woman in another country not knowing the language and suffering from domestic violence or sexual exploitation.
And so the hope is that this partnership will really make a difference. Now, if you or someone you know is in need of help right now, you are urged to contact One Safe Place. We have a link set up on our website, cbs8.com. Just click on this story. Heather and Anna?
Yeah, Kelly, I did want to ask you about this. Are there any plans to expand this program to the South Bay area?
Yeah, actually next year they're planning to open One Safe Place in the South Bay, which is going to be another large center with the same kind of wraparound resources. And just to give you an idea of how much need is actually out there, in the 2 years since One Safe Place opened, they've received more than 16,000 emails and voicemails, and they've helped more than 5,500 people.
That's incredible, that amount of people, 16,000 contacts that they have gotten. Kelly, thanks for that report.